I'm ready for, being wife material because, yeah, I'm looking for someone who are willing to settle down, and I'm willing to settle down too. Hi, my name is Manilyn. I'm 28 years old, and my ID number is 216382, and I'm from Lapu-Lapu City.
I've been waiting for a lifetime with you. Ain't it a crazy thing what love can do?
In my own opinion, foreigners are better compared to local guys because foreigners are really matured about the life. As early 18, like 18 years old, they are very matured and have their own life, and then they're really affectionate, and they are more focused on the future. What can you offer for relationship is like I'm seeking for a serious relationship, so I will be lovable and respect to each other and each opinion, and yeah, that's it. What kind of a mother I am? I think I am good enough, and for the future, of course, I will be more focusing on the children, especially when they are, young at their age. They need a mother to take care. About dating a man without any religion, I can say is I don't care, because every one of us, some of us have no religion and some of us have religion, and I don't care about it as long as they are they have respect. They are respectful for each individual. Like, I am Roman Catholic, and he is willing to respect my religion. The age gap about it is no, I don't care. For preference, I'm okay with like 40 to, let's say, 55. Since I'm really old school, so I prefer much better with candlelight dinner in the beach or piña colada with the sunset. Yeah. I'm ready for, being wife material because, yeah, I'm looking for someone who are willing to settle down, and I'm willing to settle down too. About staying at home mom is like, actually for me it's a case-to-case basis. Like, it depends on how the situation is, but I prefer, if I'm given a chance, I prefer to be a mom and then have also a career outside of the house. About cooking, to be honest, just a simple, basic, like Filipino food. I'm not really into kitchen. Oh, about conflict and our arguments in our relationships. Since I'm a little bit optimistic person, so I really hate arguments, especially for arguments for nonsense. So maybe I just, keep it silent. Yeah. My views about marriage and starting a family. For me, marriage it's a wonderful idea, like every woman dream of. In my opinion about marriage is something that happiness. I spend my life to the one that I love, to my future husband. Yes, you can see me here in Cebu. You can come if ever you have any time, and yeah, let's meet here in Cebu.
Are you a single man looking for love? Perhaps you should consider expanding your horizons.
Interested? Learn more at
mydreamasian.com.
If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Then click on the notice bell to get notified every time we add something new.